Hi, my name is Derek. I'm the CEO of a nonprofit, and I give Microsoft 365 a 5. I think really the only software we were looking at was the Google Drive. We used that originally, but as we're getting better and we're progressing, we realized that Microsoft, is kind of the leader in a lot of the different software they use. And it was just easier for us to use this because there's a lot of great resources available, as well as a lot of tools that you can't get from the Google Docs and Google Sheets. Even though they are shareable, there's a lot more available when you're part of that whole suite package of Microsoft 365. We chose Microsoft 365 because they had a lot of great resources, as well as Microsoft is just a leader in that space. So when you're going through and you're trying to get, the resources that they provide, it's like there's nobody else better than Microsoft to do what they do. So it kind of becomes a no-brainer. Not often am I just totally involved with just, oh, let's get it because of the brand, but Microsoft has such a powerful brand and is so well known that it was an easy decision. It was so easy to onboard Microsoft's kind of suite of items because at the end of the day, I think everybody has grown up using Word, using Excel, using a lot of at least their very foundational tools. So for us, it was just like, I know on my resume when I was younger, the first thing they had us write in high school was, are you proficient in Word? Are you proficient in Excel? So today's, workforce already so used to working with them that it was easy for them to at least get the basics down. And then we were there to help if we wanted to kind of stretch beyond just the basic use of some of these different tools. Getting Microsoft 365 is a no-brainer. It's just a tool that's so easy. It's used by many different businesses and industries. It's just kind of a foundational tool that I think every business should have. Yes, Google Docs and Google Spreadsheets are great, but as you progress as a business, it's nice to have a little bit more tools in your under your belt to be able to look a little bit more professional and be able to kind of dive in a little bit deeper than just on the surface that kind of Google Docs lets you do.